A lot of people talking about making big changes in life and how to do that. But it must begin by knowing what change that you need to make. And that means you need to know yourself. So the very first habit that we should develop and should do it constantly is to self-realization or self-examination. To look inside ourselves instead of looking things around us all the time, looking what other people are doing, what other people are dreaming of, but looking what capacity I got. What is my passion? What is my interest? What is my capacity? Because in that way, then I know what kind of change that I need to make to adjust in order to reach that goal. Because a lot of time people are doing many things in a day, but they never ask the question to themselves why they're doing so, or why they're trying to make changes or try different things. Because it just looks nice when people post it on their Facebook pages, but regardless of their own will of interest. So that's number one habit that people need to create is the self-examination, to look inside themselves, and that requires them to have the moment of silence with themselves. Without any technologies, without any distractions, but the time to do self-reflection. That's number one. Number two, after you already identify what kind of change that you want to make, that means you know what are flaws that you got. First, you need to really accept that you have the flaw. Because without accepting the flaw, we always believe that we are perfect and we don't need to make any changes in life. So that's why number two, after you realize what kind of change you need to make, list it down. Make it into short-term goal and long-term goals. And then concentrate on one task at a time. That's why the number three is to be disciplined. Discipline is the key. Start with simple discipline that you can do in life, and you started to create a snowball effect into a bigger effect. For example, if you want to be able to be more committed to something that you do, maybe you can try to commit small tasks at home first, like cleaning up your toilet, or reorganizing your bedroom constantly and keep things clean, or make up your bed after you get up every day. So create a habit to be more thorough, to be more committed to just one thing, even though it's hard sometimes, but at least it keep cultivating. Or create a habit to exercise, for example, to be mindful about your diet. Just learn little thing and make notes of that around you. You can post it on your wall. Every time you get up, you can see that. So those are the reminders that can help you to be disciplined. And that will lead to the change, because change can only happen when you do it constantly, intentionally, and with commitment. So that change is going to make. But first of all, make sure that you really know what change you need to make. Make sure that you know that change coming from yourself, not come from others people around you, because that is the change that you really want and you really need to achieve.